Welcome back to the Fullsend.addict channel. So I have with me is a D&D Performance 5-point harness, and this is a BRAUM Racing harness bar. So I'll be installing this on my beautiful 350Z, and yeah, I hope you guys like the video. I already have a bucket seat installed. I also have a steering wheel from Momo. I bought this in Japan. So the plan is to get rid of this stock seat belt or just leave it as is, I guess. But install the harness bar because this is not saving me from any kind of accident or any protection. So it's better to install something more safe. I know it's dangerous to drive a car with a bucket seat and 5-point harness on the streets, but it is what it is. I couldn't find my scissors, so this is what I have to open the box, but this is a 5-point harness, and let's open the harness bar. This is the harness bar. It's wrapped pretty well and it seems to be heavy. So I'm gonna unbox this. So this comes in 3 pieces and I chose the color white. It kind of looks nice and well made. So let's see how the installation goes. Alright, so I removed the carpet from the 350Z and I think I need to remove this bolt here, and I don't know why mine is already missing on the other side, but I basically have to mount it on these two bolts is what I understood at least. All right, now if you push the seat forward and the seat belt holder or this plastic piece here, you got to pop it off and use a 14 mm wrench to remove the bolt which is holding the seat belt. Oops. It looks pretty nice and light, to be honest, but yeah, let's see how the installation goes. Right, I didn't have to remove the seat and I was able to kind of slide it in. I had to push the harness bar kind of inside the interior and then yeah, it was able to fit. The problem I'm running into is I was able to fit this side with the spacer and the stock seat belt, but on the other side there's like a huge gap. Oh, cars up, just painful. Let me show you a closer look into this, but come on. Yeah, you see the gap? There's no way I'm gonna put spacers and fill that up, and how much ever I push this, it's not coming or lining up. I have an update. So I was able to install the seatbelt harness on the right side. But the left side, I think I stripped the bolt out, so the fitment isn't the best. So one thing to note here is you put the seat belt hanger first, and then the seat belt itself, and then the stock OEM bolt. Try to do that on the other side, but I think I stripped the bolt, which kind of sucks now. I need to get it re-tapped into. So as you can see here, this bolt does not really go inside well, so I need to get that re-tapped. I don't know why these Nissans have the threads which are very weak. I had the same issue with this seat bracket. When I was removing the bolt, the threads on this seat bracket just fell off. It kind of rusted off or something. I don't know. But the car's rust free. It's just a weak thread. And luckily, I got that piece welded.
So I would suggest not to use power tools, just use your hand. And as you can see in the pictures, I was able to install it. It's probably a two-person job. And the stock seat belt goes behind the harness bar, as you can see in the pictures. You can take a screenshot if you would like. And that's how you create the spacer in between the harness bars. So the good thing is you can use it as 5-point harness and also the stock seat belt. Thank you, Braum, for sponsoring this video.